A home that breathes sophistication, warmth, and serenity. This is the essence of modern all-white luxury design. White, the color of purity and refinement, dominates every space, creating a canvas of tranquility. But luxury is not about sterility, it is about balance. To achieve this, natural elements such as wood, stone, and organic finishes soften the starkness, infusing the home with character and warmth. This is a sanctuary where modern minimalism meets the soulful textures of nature. The first impression of this home is one of grandeur and harmony. Its crisp, all-white exterior is complemented by organic textures, wooden panels, natural stone cladding, and lush greenery. Sunlight dances on the smooth walls, creating an interplay of light and shadow. The entrance, framed with raw wooden beams, invites you into a space that seamlessly blends contemporary design with nature's timeless beauty. Step inside, and the living room unfolds like a work of art. White walls and ceilings expand the space, creating an airy, almost ethereal atmosphere. Plush, neutral-toned furniture enhances the feeling of comfort, while a statement wooden coffee table anchors the space with its organic form. A stone-clad feature wall adds depth and texture, proving that simplicity can be rich and inviting when balanced with natural materials. The kitchen is a masterpiece of precision and elegance. White marble countertops gleam under the soft glow of pendant lights, their veins adding a delicate movement to the design. Wooden cabinetry provides a warm contrast, offering both storage and visual balance. Organic ceramics, woven baskets, and stone accessories complete the look, ensuring that luxury here is not just seen but felt, a tactile experience of refinement. The dining area is an ode to organic beauty. A sleek, all-white dining table sits beneath a sculptural light fixture, while handcrafted wooden chairs bring warmth and authenticity. Large glass doors open to an outdoor garden, inviting natural light to flood the space. This seamless connection to nature transforms dining into an experience. Every meal enjoyed in an atmosphere of serene luxury and understated grandeur. A bedroom should be a place of rest, and this one is nothing short of a dreamscape. Soft, white linen drapes over the bed, creating a feeling of weightlessness. Behind it, a wooden accent wall introduces an earthy contrast, grounding the space. A stone bedside table and woven rugs complete the ambience, reminding us that true luxury is about more than appearance. It is about how a space makes us feel. Stepping into the bathroom is like entering a private spa retreat. White marble extends across the walls and counters, its natural veins flowing like rivers of elegance. A stone sink sits atop a floating wooden vanity, merging rustic textures with modern minimalism. Soft lighting, organic soaps, and delicate floral arrangements enhance the atmosphere, turning everyday rituals into moments of indulgence and relaxation. Luxury extends beyond the walls of this home. The outdoor areas embrace nature with open arms. Wooden decking, stone pathways, and lush greenery create a sanctuary of peace. A minimalist white pergola provides a shaded lounge, while a natural stone fire pit adds warmth and ambience. Every detail is designed to invite the outdoors in, ensuring that luxury here is as much about nature as it is about design. elegance is not fleeting, it is timeless. This home's design embraces sustainability, not through overt technology, but through material choices that age gracefully. Wood that tells a story, stone that stands strong against time, and organic finishes that breathe life into the space. This is a home that does not follow trends, but sets a standard for luxurious, nature-infused living that will remain relevant for generations. This modern, all-white luxury home is more than architecture. It is an experience, a way of living that celebrates simplicity, elegance, and nature. Every space is a testament to the beauty of balance, where modernity meets organic warmth. It is a place that feels light yet grounded, sophisticated yet inviting. This is not just a house. It is a sanctuary, a reflection of refined taste, and an ode to the timeless beauty of natural materials.